Hey, good morning, guys. Praful here. Welcome back. Thanks for joining in. Today is 23rd of September. Today is the weekly expiry, and I have positioned myself in such a way that small amount of my calls are at 17,700, and a lot of my calls are at 17,750, and the puts are also spread across 17,600 and 17,550 with the appropriate quantities. So as of now, my margin allows me to take 5,000 quantity, and I've completely used my 50 lakhs of margin. As and when these hedges get cheaper, I'll push the hedges closer and I'll try to take additional credit. So that would be the idea. And the algo is also doing quite okay. 350 quantity में almost 1,800 1,900 rupees कमा रहा है, which translates to somewhere around, let's see, around 6 points. So it's doing 6 points and it's quite okay. And यहाँ पे I've kept the stop losses for my inner wala options, that is 17,600 put and 17,700 calls. And yeah, you can see that like I'm still using the limit orders and I'm not taking any chances with the market orders. Bank Nifty is super strong. It has almost like 200 points ka up move already dikha diya hai after it gapped up by almost 200 points. So Bank Nifty is super strong, and that kind of getting penetrated to Nifty as well. But Nifty IT and HDFC are relatively weak. They are showing some sorts of weakness. Okay, like my stop loss might get hit as of now. Another thing that people ask me is how do I manage the premiums of different value, correct? यहाँ पे देखो 17,600 put is trading at around 12 rupees, less than 12 rupees, and 17,700 call is trading at somewhere around 26 rupees. It's more than 1:2. तो इसको मैनेज करने के लिए सिंपल आपको क्वांटिटी को मैनिपुलेट करना पड़ेगा. इफ यू सी my 12 rupees का option is almost somewhere around 3,000 quantity, and my 26 rupee का option is only 1,000 quantity. So that way you can manage your delta, you mean your overall portfolio का delta, like this, the entire position का delta, just by playing around with these numbers, मतलब quantity के हिसाब से. So इसका जो stop loss है, like I'll keep this stop loss at 30 rupees. यहाँ पे 30 rupees पे मैंने stop loss लगा दिया है. तो once this stop loss gets hit, so this should be available at 10 rupees or something. So ये 1,000 quantity यहाँ पे shift हो जाएगा, and this should also be available at somewhere around 10 rupees or something. Then यहाँ पे भी quantity पूरा इस पे आ जाएगा. So that would be the approach, and I let this expand to 30. That is because ये 30 जाने के लिए यहाँ पे एक clear cut breakout होना चाहिए. But with the current scenario, the Bank Nifty is showing a lot of strength, and HDFC होने दो, IT होने दो, Reliance होने दो, all these things are not showing that great signs of strength in particular. And I know like 2 minute में scenario completely बदल सकता है. I totally understand that. But as of now, this is what the market is telling me. तो इसलिए I don't have much of the threats from these 17,700 calls, even though they are spiking to 26, 27, 28 तक भी जा सकता है. तो I'll be keeping my stop loss at somewhere around 30 levels. So if at all they get hit, no problem. तो उसके बाद में सिंपल है, इन 17,700 को 17,650 पे लेके आऊंगा, एंड इन 17,550 का जो है उसका 1,000 क्वांटिटी 17,600 पे आएगा, 1,000 क्वांटिटी 17,650 पे आएगा. Okay, so that would be the approach. But if you look at this position is still a little negative delta. Negative delta का मतलब क्या है? This position I would make good money if the market comes slightly down. मतलब काफी तेजी से नहीं नीचे आ सकता, एक धीरे से अगर मार्केट नीचे आता है तो definitely I'll make the money. Because look at this, all the call positions are the majority of my call positions are at 9 rupees, and these put positions are at 7 rupees. And this is 26 and this is 11. So in any way, even though like I've kind of managed my delta, this position is still slightly bearish. That is on the back of the fact that ये जो line यहाँ पे जो खींचा हूँ 17,700 पे, so this should act as a stiff resistance. हो सकता है कि वो resistance ऊपर जाने से पहले ही मतलब मेरा ये stop loss hit हो जाए, but that's fine, क्योंकि वो resistance completely breach होने तक देखो वो resistance कैसे breach हो सकता है. It can go 10 points higher and then come back, but at that point this would be somewhere around 33, 34. तो उस point of time तक मैं hold नहीं कर सकता. Alright, so that would be the approach. As of now we are क्वाइट ओके। 2 मिनट पहले मैंने बोला था कि कुछ भी हो सकता है एंड एनीथिंग कैन पिक अप स्ट्रेंथ। सो HDFC में से इमीडिएटली HDFC एंड रिलायंस में से स्ट्रेंथ आ गया एंड दैट वाज द रीजन फ्रॉम ऑलमोस्ट +20K आई स्लिप डाउन टू -25K। ठीक है, यहां पे आप जो दिख रहा है 6K समथिंग, इट वाज नथिंग। इन अ मैटर ऑफ सेकेंड्स these call options from almost 6 rupees or something, 6 7 8 rupees पे जो था, they spiked to 21 and ये जो option था it was somewhere around 26, correct? Last time जब मैं दिखा रहा था 26 पे था, this spiked up to 45 46. So that's the kind of moves that you get to see on expiries and अगर आप बयास के सामने बैठ जाओगे, आपके बयास को पकड़ के बैठ जाओगे कि भाई नहीं ये 17700 काफी बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है, तो यहाँ पे तो मतलब मुमकिन ही नहीं है, तो ये पूरा ब्रीच होने के बाद मैं चेंज करूंगा, इट वुड हैव बीन टू लेट बाय देन। मैंने इसको 32 रुपीज पे काटा है मैंने। इफ यू कैन सी हियर आई हैव कट दिस पोजीशन आउट एट 32 एंड यहां पे इट वेंट अप टिल 45। व्हेन दैट हैपेंस probably you get stunned, मतलब आपको पता भी नहीं चलता कि करना क्या है। So that's what kind of usually people go through all these things. That's because they play based on levels. But भाई वहां पे आपके बाप लोग बैठे रहते हैं जो लोग पहले से ही अनवाइंड करना शुरू कर देते हैं। Because if you look at the markets, ठीक है, if you look at the price of these options, ये स्पाइक कब होना शुरू हुआ था पता है? जब ये ब्रीच हुआ नहीं था उससे पहले से ही मतलब ये स्पाइक होना शुरू हुआ था, यहां से ही स्पाइक होना शुरू हुआ था एंड इस कैंडल पे ऑल द सेकेंड राउंड ऑफ पीपल हु वांट टू गेट आउट दे गॉट आउट। तो इफ यू आर लाइक नहीं भाई मैं होल्ड करूंगा इस लेवल ब्रीच होने तक मैं होल्ड करूंगा, यस आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट वोंट वर्क। ठीक है, इफ यू हैव सीन मी आई एम ऑलवेज अ बिग बिलीवर दैट एवरी सिंगल स्ट्रैटेजी वर्क्स। ठीक है, एवरी स्ट्रैटेजी हैज इट्स डेज, एवरी स्ट्रैटेजी हैज इट्स बैड डेज, एवरी स्ट्रैटेजी हैज इट्स गुड डेज। मैं कभी ये नहीं बोलूंगा कि ये काम नहीं करेगा, वो काम नहीं करेगा, सब चीज काम करता है। बट I would go about it in such a way that even I want to do something preemptively, मतलब मुझे preemptive adjustments करना पड़ेगा। मैं preemptive adjustment किया because of which my loss is still like I'm still like down by just half a point, वरना मेरा अभी 5-6 पॉइंट का लॉस अभी देखना पड़ता था और शाम तक मतलब सिर्फ इस लॉस को मिटिगेट करने में, इस लॉस को रिकवर करने में मेरा लग जाता। ऑलराइट, टाइम इज 11:30 एंड जो हमारा ड्रॉडाउन चल रहा था वो सब रिकवर हो गया है एंड वी आर अप बाय क्लोज टू 3.5 पॉइंट्स एंड अभी कॉल्स आर अगेन स्पाइकिंग, लाइक वी आर ऑलमोस्ट एट 17,740 लेवल्स, बट कॉल साइड पे आई हैव केप्ट द स्टॉप लॉस एट 24.4। जैसे वो हिट हो जाएगा देन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आई विल जस्ट शिफ्ट टू 17,800 एंड फ्रॉम देयर it shouldn't be like we shouldn't be doing like much of the adjustments unless we start falling down, which I think is a low probability event considering the fact that we had some sort of a positive news from the FOMC meeting yesterday. So another important thing that I wanted to address and yeah, the algo account, correct. So the algo account, yes, already देखो funds used is somewhere around 4 lakhs and already close to 1% already बना लिया है algo and still running 17,750 straddle पे ही बैठा है and it has almost captured theta from both the calls as well as the puts. So another thing I wanted to address is a lot of you guys have a lot of questions about algo trading and API use कैसे करते हैं, algo trading कैसे करते हैं, हमें तो कोडिंग बिल्कुल नहीं आता है, पाइथन नहीं आता है, तो how do we do it and all that. So I got to see this thing. There is something called Quants League which is a 5-day event. September 27 से लेके October 1st तक होता है. It's online, like you can attend this event from your home using your laptop, using your phone. Basically it hosts a lot of speakers, industry experts on algo trading and option strategies and HFT trading कैसे होता है. So a lot of like decent people are there, like Santosh Pasi, like there are some of these people like I really look up to. Mr. Santosh Pasi, like he's someone I look up to, and Mr. Pratik Singh, I think इसको तो देखे रहेंगे. तो this guy is the founder of Learn App, and Nitish Narang StockMo का founder है, and Vishal Mehta, I think Vishal Mehta and Yogesh Nanda, I think you might have seen in the Vivek Bajaj's F2F has a decent panel with a lot of experienced panelists. एंड यहाँ पे आप quantsleague.com में जाके आप चेक कर सकते हैं एजेंडा क्या क्या है, क्या क्या बोला जाएगा. एंड दिस आदित्य, दिस गाय हैंडल समवेयर अराउंड 100 crores of people's money and even he's pretty decent I believe. So there is agenda, मतलब कौन कौन सा टाइम पे क्या क्या होता है करके. एंड कमिंग टू द प्राइसिंग, सो इट्स यूजुअली इट इज प्राइस्ड एट समवेयर अराउंड 2000 रुपीज. 1999 पे प्राइसिंग है, बट दे हैव गिवन मी सम कोड और समथिंग. तो ALEO, अगर आप ALEO कोड यूज करेंगे तो यू विल गेट लाइक डायरेक्ट 50% ऑफ. तो 2000 रुपीज की जगह 999 रुपीज. So 999 rupees for 5 days is like spending around 200 rupees per day. I don't think it should be much. So the pricing is pretty much on the lower side. तो ऐसे मत सोचो कि मतलब मैं ऐसे कुछ चीजों को प्रमोट करने लग गया or something like that. Since I'm getting a lot of queries about the algo trading or something, see, I personally don't know algo trading. ठीक है, मुझे तो आता नहीं है algo trading क्योंकि आई एम अ मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर एंड मुझे कोडिंग वोडिंग आता नहीं है. एंड आई हैव वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स who is really good at coding, so मैं उसको strategies देता हूँ and he converts them into code and we discuss. So it's a symbiotic relationship. But most of you guys don't have, you know, don't have these kinds of friends or something to rely upon. So if you want to do it on your own and if you at least want to learn the at least basics of what the algo trading is about and how you can get started, I think like this $1000 would be you know, the worth for your money. I would recommend that you at least give a try. एंड अगर आप ट्राई कर रहे हैं तो जाके क्यों 2000 रुपए भरोगे, तो यूज माई कोड ALEO करके यूज करो, 50% ऑफ मिल जाएगा, तो 1000 रुपीज में काम निपटा जाएंगे. तो दैट्स अबाउट इट. क्वांट्स लीग है, वहां पे जाके आप चेक कर सकते हैं. एंड कमिंग बैक टू द पोजिशंस, लाइक वी आर स्लाइटली हेडिंग डाउन, बट आवर मार्क टू मार्केट इज काइंड ऑफ होल्डिंग अप. वी आर स्टिल एट 3 point mark to market. And yeah, I have this 17700 put also with some meager quantity just in case these calls just spike up. I would not be squaring these puts until we breach 720 level. 720 भी reach होने तक नहीं wait करूंगा. And already the calls dropped and we started making good money. I'll keep you guys posted. I just want to give a quick update. So the market is having a relentless up move. So it's pretty much testing the all-time high, which is 17,800. And these 17,800 calls, which seem to be of no threat in the morning, now have started to become some sort of a threat. In order to mitigate the threats from these spiking 17,800 calls, I have shifted some of the quantities of my puts to 17,750 itself. All my puts are split across 17,700 and 17,750. And if you want to notice, a 17,300 put option, 17,200 put option, and even 17,000 put option is available at 2 rupees. So probably, you know, shorting a 17,000 put option doesn't seem like a really bad idea. So as far as the mark to market is concerned, we are up slightly about 2.5 points. 2.5 points के आसपास हम हैं. And the algo has been doing exceptionally well. Like we have already captured 15.5 points in the second entry. So we are currently around 5,400 rupees. The margin blocked is around 4,000. So pretty much 1.5% के आसपास. It had gone up till around 6,500 also, but जैसे up move होना शुरू हो गया, then the straddle, it gave a lot of decay and now again it's taking back because of these spiking calls. As long as we don't head above the day's high, which is 17,775 levels, so this should be this algo should be pretty much, you know, it'll do well. So if at all even we see some sort of a dip towards 17,750, एक छोटा सा भी अगर dip आ जाता है 17,750 के पास, इतना अगर इतना dip भी आ जाता है इस level तक, then the algo would have pretty much captured like 22-23 points. तो already 17 points है, एक 10 points का dip आ गया तो 22-23 points algo capture कर लेगा. Time is 2:06. We have around 55 minutes for averaging, and we have already made like 51k, which is close to 1%. And आपको दिखाऊं तो I have shorted an in the money put 17,800 put को short किया है in order to just give some cushion for this potential threat from these calls. Correct? अगर market ने एक यहाँ पे breakout level पे आ रहा है, right? तो it's a proper clear cut case of a cup and handle type of pattern. ये जो dip था V shape recovery हुआ and it's a minor retracement and there is a potential threat. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि 100% होगा, but there is a good amount of threat for this to happen. So if that happens, these calls, 17,800 calls, can easily blow up to like 14, 13, 14 rupees. But in order to compensate for these, I have shorted the 34 rupees ka 17,800 puts. This comes with a 40 rupees ka stop loss. Now, when this comes to 40 rupees, when this 17,800 put option, this comes to 40 rupees, then these calls won't be any threat, क्योंकि वो immediately 6 rupees 5.5 rupees पे ट्रेड करता रहेगा. जब 6 rupees 5.5 rupees पे ट्रेड करता रहेगा, I don't have anything to worry about from these calls. That is when I'll shift them back to 17,750. So this is kind of a bodyguard in order to protect myself from the gamma moves. What markets, like what expiry we had. I mean, even till the last minute, even this 17,850 call, it shot up from 30 paise to almost 2.63 rupees tak bhi gaya tha ye. So that was the kind of market. So everywhere, like there was short covering rallies and sudden like sell-offs, and this was another like 30-point sell-off and a 50-point recovery. So it was all over the place. I've returned more than 1.4%, like around 45, 46, 47, 48 lakhs का funds use किए थे, and we'll be ending at somewhere around 72, 73k, क्योंकि अभी यहाँ पे जो 5 पैसे है, 10 पैसे, वो आ जाएगा एक और 1000 rupees. So 72k पे end करेंगे, and we captured almost 1.5% on the deployed margin, and the algo did extremely well today, even in these kinds of markets. So on the block margin of 4 lakhs, we have captured around 7.1k, which is somewhere around 1.7%. So pretty decent day, but I'm sure कि it was not an easy expiry. Sorry, जब मैं OBS run करता हूँ, for some reason like all my browsers get super slow, super sluggish. So that's why I had to cut out and then executed all my orders. And yeah, none of the orders are pending as of now. So we placed almost 222 orders. उसमें से cancelled orders काफी ज़्यादा है. But even then, like I'll be sharing out another 5-6k easily on the charges. But 71k for the day in spite of all this nautanki. So I can easily say that like I did a good job today managing the positions, because there were call side, you know, short covering at multiple times, multiple occasions पे call side short covering थे. So and the 17,800, which was thought of the absolute ceiling towards the upside, just got breached like butter. तो 17,800 एकदम यूं मतलब निकल गया, and that triggered a lot of call side short covering. So we had like multiple short covering, because 17,700 also should have been acted as a resistance, as I was saying in the previous clips, but that got taken out, and then 17,750 got taken out, and 17,800 got taken out, and occasionally we saw some rapid sell-offs. So 30-40 point का sell-off यूं आ रहे थे. Yeah, it was definitely not an easier expiry, and I hope you guys came out profitable too. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Yeah, 71k here and 7.1k here, so 78k for the day. Here the deployed margin was somewhere around 47-48 lakhs, 50 lakhs ही समझ लो. तो 1.5% on the deployed margin here and 1.7% on the deployed margin here. And all that said, it's a decent day. 1.5-1.6% on the deployed capital is not a shabby outcome, especially in these kinds of markets. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good day.